New moves to possibly charge Alec Baldwin in the Rust movie shooting and the death of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins.
Reporter Alyssa Munoz is here with what happened.
Special prosecutors Carrie Morrissey and Jason Lewis announcing they plan to present new information to a Santa Fe grand jury after new facts have come up during their investigation. The accident happening as Alec Baldwin rehearsed camera angles on the Rust movie set near Santa Fe in 2021. Cinematographer Halyna Hutchins was in front of Baldwin when the gun fired, killing her and wounding director Joel Sosa nearby.
It wasn't in the script for the trigger to be pulled.
Well, the trigger wasn't pulled. I didn't pull the trigger.
The original FBI report said the gun could not have been fired without pulling the trigger. However, a second report determined the gun had been altered, making a misfire possible. But a third report in August agreed with the initial finding that the trigger had to be pulled.
When that third report came out, I think it was pretty clear that the special prosecutors were going down that track of refiling charges against Alec Baldwin.
Over the next 2 months, prosecutors say they will present the case to the grand jury to find out if Baldwin should be charged. Legal expert John Day says prosecutors will present the evidence and Baldwin will also be allowed to testify.
And the grand juries often go along with the prosecution's case as opposed to having a judge sitting there listening to the evidence. So it's a strategic decision by the special prosecutors in this case. Grand juries do exist in New Mexico. Most cases go to preliminary hearing. But this is an unusual case and a unique situation.
Day says if the jury approves a charge against Baldwin, it will be fourth-degree involuntary manslaughter. The set's armorer, Hannah Gutierrez Reed, is also facing involuntary manslaughter charges. The only person who has been convicted in the case is the first assistant director, David Halls. He was sentenced to 6 months probation and a plea agreement.
He's off probation, and one of the conditions of his probation was that he would have to testify against possible co-defendants, meaning Alec Baldwin or the armorer, Hannah Gutierrez Reed. But because his probation expired, those conditions no longer apply. Special prosecutors want his testimony.
Baldwin's attorney sent a statement saying in part, "It's sad this tragedy has turned into a misguided prosecution, but they will answer any charges in court." Reporting in studio, Alyssa Munoz, KOAT Action 7 News.
Now, those special prosecutors writing, "We believe the appropriate course of action is to permit a panel of New Mexico citizens to determine from here whether Mr. Baldwin should be held over for criminal trial."